Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you 3 very quick and easy hairstyles using French pins. I love how effortless these hairstyles are. They're really beautiful and they can also be recreated with bobby pins. Now, these are one of my favorite hair accessories. They're just so quick and easy to use. I wear them all the time around the house and they're very gentle on your hair. Not to mention beautiful. These ones are from Kristin Ess, but there's so many cute and unique designs on Etsy. I'll link some down below. Now, before we get started, I will link my previous hair fork tutorial in the description, and don't forget to let me know which of these hairstyles was your favorite. All right, let's get started. For hair prep, I have one quick tip. If you find that your hair forks are slipping out of your hair, I would definitely recommend prepping your hair with either a dry shampoo or a texture spray. So I'm just gonna go in with the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo just to add a little texture and grit to my hair. Cool, and then I just like to brush through the product. All right, so that's it. Let's turn around and start some hairstyles. First up is an elegant French twist. My favorite. So begin by gathering your hair into a low ponytail, and if you gently rub your fingers against your hairline, it will loosen up any small hairs, which will help soften the look. Next, hold your hair in your right hand, and you want to wrap your ponytail up and over your index and middle finger on your left hand, like this. And then tightly twist those fingers to the left about 1 to 2 times while bringing them up towards the top of your head, and you want this to feel nice and tight. Now, feel free to tuck your ends and then gently pull the left side upwards to create that French twist look. Now, if your hair fork has a curve, you'll want the curve to lay against your head. So insert your fork through the middle top of your twist, poking the ends out to the right, and then push them against your head and bring the top of the fork to the right side and begin pushing it through to the left. Try to keep it against your head and you should feel resistance with this. That's how you know it's really in there and it's nice and secure. And then go ahead, pull on the hairstyle to loosen it up, and to smooth away any pesky flyaways, I love to add a little bit of hair oil. Okay, how beautiful is this hairstyle? I love how it could be easily worn around the house or dressed up for a night out. Next is a simple low bun, and if created on damp hair, will leave you with beautiful waves. So begin by gathering your hair where you want your bun to sit, high or low, doesn't matter, just hold it in your left hand. Now, to create the donut bun, you want to tightly twist your ponytail clockwise 2 to 3 times until you feel the hair on your head twisting. And then you just want to begin wrapping it clockwise around the base as you continue twisting your ponytail. Now, once you've run around once, if you still have ends left out, just twist them very tight and then wrap them underneath your first twist. Now, I did leave some of my ends out for an effortless look, but feel free to tuck yours in. And before you secure it, you can fan out your bun and make it nice and full. All right, take your French pin, slide it through the middle of your twist on the right side so that the ends come out the right, and then push them against your head as you bring the top of your pin over to the right, and then push it through towards the left. Try wiggling it as you push it to really secure it. Again, you should feel lots of resistance. And if you push it through and it didn't hook your bun, like mine, just slide it halfway out, re-wiggle, and push it through until it feels nice and secure. Now, to loosen up the look and add some volume, just pinch and pull in the hair around your crown, and there you have it. I love this look and how the French pin just instantly dresses up such a simple hairstyle. Lastly is a more unique hairstyle, great for holiday parties. So begin by smoothing all of your hair back into a high ponytail, about ear height or higher, and of course, pulling out those face framing pieces. Now we're going to create an upside down French twist. So hold your ponytail with your left hand and grab the underside of it with your right, and then begin tightly twisting clockwise. And after about 3 twists, you should feel the hair on your head starting to twist. Now at this point, direct your hair down towards your nape, and you can begin fanning out your hair along your twist, tucking in any to just keep everything nice and tight. Then, starting at the top, take your first French pin, insert it through the middle of your twist so that the ends come out the right side, push them against your head as you slide them through to the left. And if there isn't a lot of resistance on the first try, just try again until it feels nice and tight. And then repeat down as many times as you like, and if you only have one hair fork, just insert it through the middle with a slightly down angle to hold. Next, fan out the hair on the left side to help cover the ends, and there you have it, a really fun and beautiful way to dress up your ponytail. So there we have it. Don't forget to let me know which of these hairstyles was your favorite, and if you do do recreate any of them, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I'll have it linked down below. But if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.